Alrighty guys, just got done storming all day and it's currently about 8 o'clock at night. Awesome weather right now. It's about 70 degrees. Good change from the 100-degree weather we've been having. Let's go bust us on some bass here in the backyard. Let's do it. Bet we can catch us one here on the popper before we even load the boat up. Got him. Told y'all. That was sick. Little popper action. Oh, he tossed it. That was pretty cool. There we go, guys. It's a better one. Oh yeah, good one to start the night off with. Heck yeah, dude, just that. Guy's a solid keeper. Here we go, guys. Good one to start the night off with. We'll take it. Another decent one, guys. Sitting here waiting for my dad. Like usual. Always a slow poke. But I got one. So I'll take it. Old keeper. Dude, when I went night fishing the other night, when I went night fishing by myself, get it. Dink. Hey.
Dude, look at that. Caught him outside his mouth. One little barb hanging on his lip.
Yeah.
So when you went fishing the other night.
Uh-huh. I am. Ouch. Dude's
Dink.
dropping rods on my head and catching little fish.
Dink.
I'd say he's mad.
Seems nice to your face.
Oh, Dad. Not really. He just ran like he was. Numero 3. Little rascal. Talk with the ladder. Right in front of him. I know. That's why me and Randy been taking them out. But anyways. Got him. Got him. It's a little bit. Oh.
Oh, see? One last worm. Right in the nose.
That's how you want them.
Huh?
That's how you want them.
He thumped it pretty good. Binky. Old school.
Well, I missed to press the record button, but Willie Tilly's got him one. Blew up on me on the popper, and then he snuck in there with the Senko.
Got him.
What number's that for you?
4.
4? I'm at 5.
4 and 5.
Stick your finger in. Oh, okay. It's a little fat guy.
Fatty.
Hey. Ain't how one bust right here. I'm gonna catch it. Told you. A little better. I called that though.
How easy it when you see it's like a circle in the water and you have it on the hold on and it gets this fish.
It's pretty easy.
It's pretty easy when you see them.
Look at how warm they are. It's a warm fish. Nah, you're on a fish. You got one? Because it is.
I didn't even know it.
Dude,
Christ.
that's a stud. Heck yeah. There you go. God!